Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. Recently, the crying filter is getting a lot of attention. A lot of people are using this filter because it's really emotional and you can create really interesting TikToks with it. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of how to get the crying filter on TikTok or Snapchat. First step is to open Snapchat and log into your account. You also need to allow camera, so tab on open settings and right there now go tab on microphone and camera. So allow microphone and camera right now please. And now let's go back to our camera. Okay. Now what you need to do is to tap the camera icon in the bottom navigator bar, where you'll see here camera and right there. Now what you need to do is to tap on this icon. Now guys, what you need to do right now is to tap on Explorer. The Explorer icon is right here, so please follow along with me so you don't miss any step. Right here is the Explorer tab, and you need to tap on this emoji icon and then tap on the Explorer icon. Alright, now you need to search for crying and is the first result. Now please tap on, here are a bunch of filters, but the one that we want to use is the crying effect. So now please select the crying effect made by Snapchat. Is right here, made by Snapchat, alright, not by another person. Alright, now guys, how you can use this filter is really simple. Just take a picture of yourself, or simply look at the camera, front camera, and this effect will work. You can see this person right now is crying really hard because she had a hard time. So now just take a picture, and as you can see, the filter worked pretty well. You can actually do a video as well. Alright, you need to hold, and now video. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how to get the crying filter on TikTok. What you need to do is to open guys TikTok. Alright, just open TikTok and log into your account. And also beforehand, I really encourage you guys to update TikTok, because when I was testing how to get a crying filter on TikTok, I didn't have one option. And part of the reason why I didn't have this option is because I didn't update TikTok to the latest version. So just go to TikTok on Play Store and scroll down till you see update, and update TikTok please, and then open TikTok. And here what you need to do is to tap on here on the plus, and tap on this plus icon wherever it is, and just tap on it. And now guys, we need to tap on or select the effects option please. Now tap on effects, and here tap on the search icon. Alright, now search for crying. Search for crying, and is the first result, guys. This is what you need to do. You need to select, we want now to select this effect. So select this effect and tab on it, and now it's loading. Now guys, as you can see now, this effect works, and this person now is crying really hard. You see, she's crying now. This effect works. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Thank you. See you in the next one.